fortunate.
The work that you did, Vimal, what connects do you draw between someone like a Sachin Tendulkar and Mahendra Singh Dhoni in your experience of having come from a small town, having seen the rise of a player such as MS Dhoni and the influence that Sachin's had on his life?
Yeah, Gaurav, it's been really overwhelming. To be very honest, when I started writing the book, when the idea came to my mind, I never thought of, like people like Mahendra Singh Dhoni will be writing the 100th chapter, or Rahul Dravid will be, commenting, or VVS like, because all these cricketers, great cricketers, we have admired. Whatever we may say on TV on the day when they perform, but we all know that we admire them. So most of the times we have to say कि अरे फैन का चोला जो है अभी मत पहनो, जर्नलिस्ट तो जर्नलिस्ट की तरह बिहेव करो. तो व्हाट हैपेंड, जब शुरू में बड़ी मॉडेस्ट सोचा कि जिन जिन लोगों को जानता हूँ रणजी के क्रिकेटर्स हैं उनको कांटेक्ट करूँगा, बट ओवर ए पीरियड ऑफ टाइम आई रियलाइज्ड कि द मोमेंट आई यूज्ड टू से कि आई एम राइटिंग अ बुक ऑन सचिन, so everybody was like, okay, you are writing on Sachin, good, so book, okay. So always the response from the cricketer was different. As a journalist, whenever we approach the cricketer, first thing they do, abhi bhi my अच्छा हाँ क्या है, इंटरव्यूज मत करना, इंटरव्यू नहीं. ही हैज नॉट गिवन मी एनी इंटरव्यू. 2006 में किया था,
आई नो द फीलिंग,
दैट इंटरव्यू. उसके बाद उसने बोला कि एक इंटरव्यू करेगा सारे चैनल को, तेरे को जिस दिन अपने लिए चाहिए होगा कोई चीज़ पर्सनल में तो वो बताना. तो आई वॉज ऑलवेज सेइंग कि भाई एडम गिलक्रिस्ट ने एक बार गांव जाने का प्रॉमिस किया था कि भाई इफ आई हैव द टाइम आई विल विजिट द रूरल प्लेसेस. सो आई यूज्ड टू टीज हिम ऑलवेज. इवन दैट बांग्लादेश टूर इन 2007, आई रिमेंबर he came, he was going for some dinner event. I told him I just want to meet him for few minutes. So he came out in 2007. So he sat with me. इसने पूछा कि क्या प्लान है, तो बता, तू मेरे पीछे पड़ा हुआ क्या बात है. तो मैंने बोला नहीं मुझे इंटरव्यू नहीं चाहिए, आपने पहले बोल दिया इंटरव्यू मुझे नहीं चाहिए. देखो ऐसा है, ऑस्ट्रेलियन है, वो गांव जाने को तैयार हो, आप अपने स्टेट के हो, आप जाने को तैयार नहीं हो, वहाँ सारे लोग मुझसे बोलते हैं कब आएगा दुमका, कब आएगा. तो इसने कहा कि अच्छा दुमका जाना है. यार दुमका मैं गया नहीं. मैंने बोला नहीं आप खेले हुए हेमन ट्रॉफी में, कई लोग बोलते हैं. तो याद नहीं आ रहा एग्जैक्टली दुमका है. मैंने बोला देवघर है, बाबा धाम है. बोला हाँ वो तो सुना हुआ है. तो बोला उसी बहाने चलो, पूजा कर रहा, महादेव का भक्त, ही से बिग शिव भक्त. तो मैंने बोला महादेव को पूजा कर लेना आप. तो ही प्रॉमिस्ड मी ऑन दैट डे कि ठीक है चलो ये काम तेरा कर दूंगा, जाऊंगा दुमका. And that was the one common reference with Adam Gilchrist, with Mahendra Singh Dhoni. That was the common. I never used to ask interview. I just used to remind them, याद है ना दुमका जाना है, याद है ना दुमका. तो he was like कि यार ही कुछ नहीं मांग रहा, एक बार दुमका चले जाओ. And he knew that कि मेरा शेड्यूल है, मैं तो अपने घर नहीं जा पाता हूँ, दुमका क्या जाऊँगा. तो चल ये अच्छा बहाना, ये भी खुश रहेगा. हाँ दुमका जाना तो जब तक रिटायर करूँगा तब देखी जाएगी. तो मैं बोलता यार गजब की बात है, एडम गिलक्रिस्ट ने बोला हुआ, आपने बोला तो इसने बोला. फिर आफ्टर ए वाइल एवरीथिंग वाज हैपनिंग, writing the book, and at best of times, and I think this is the best quality why he's still sane. He doesn't pick up the phone, SMS नहीं उठाते हैं. Even I was in Hyderabad especially to get the confirmation. I had got the confirmation, mail कर चुका था सारी चीज़ें, but he did not say anything. मैं हैदराबाद में गया, टीम होटल में ठहरा, किसी तरह से मिलने के लिए इनके रूम तक नहीं पहुंच पाया. बोला कि भाई कप्तान ने बोला नहीं वो तो फ़ोन ही नहीं उठाते हैं. मैं बोला ठीक है. मैं सुबह 5 बजे पहुंच गया. 5 बजे से ही, शनिवार का दिन था मुझे याद है, ये ब्रेकफास्ट करने के लिए आए. मैंने बोला कि शनिदेव की आज पूजा करके आया हूँ कि आज तो कप्तान को पकड़ना ही है. तो ये क्या है प्रॉब्लम तेरे को. मैंने बोला प्रॉब्लम कुछ नहीं है, आपने बोला था कि जगह गाँव जाऊँगा, गाँव तो जब जाओगे वो देखा जाएगा, पता नहीं बुढ़े हो जाऊँगा. यहाँ पर आ जाओ, एक किताब लिखी हुई है सचिन पे लिखी हुई, इतनी मेहनत की हुई है, एंड इट्स ओनली अप्रोप्रिएट दैट यू शुड बी द चीफ गेस्ट. तो बोला अच्छा ठीक है चलो कोई बात नहीं. तो बोला लेकिन मैं कुछ बोलूँगा नहीं. तो मैंने सोचा कि यार अभी बोलूँगा तो फंस जाऊँगा. फिर इंटरव्यू, तो मैंने बोला अच्छा इसको ओपन रहने दो, ये ओपन रहेगा, ये डील यहाँ पर यही है कि भाई वहाँ पर उस दिन के हिसाब से. तो ऑन दैट डे ही वॉज मूड अच्छा था, 2-0 से लीड करके आते तो थोड़ा सा भी था भी. तो मैंने सोचा कि अच्छा दिन है. क्रिकेटर्स का, रिपोर्टर्स की भी टाइमिंग बहुत अच्छी होती है, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि भाई कब मांगना चाहिए, कब मांगने से बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी. तो परहैप्स आई वॉज लकी that Indian team was doing so well. Mahi was coming with a big knock, which I think that one of the greatest innings we have seen in India. So that I think that has played its part. And what else? Just feel speechless. There have been so many things. When I started my career, I thought my dream was to cover the 2007 West Indies World Cup. Back in 2001, I have thought I never discussed anything, any ambition. So that was the thing. So when I got the opportunity, thanks Rajdeep and Ashutosh, who trusted on a new reporter. They said, and Rajdeep more, because by then I was only a Hindi reporter. I was doing a bit of English for Aaj Tak, but Rajdeep told me कि नहीं, तू जा रहा है और वहाँ पर पाकिस्तानी टीम को तू कवर करेगा. As it happened कि पाकिस्तानी tour was the news of the World Cup more than Indian news. So thankful to Rajdeep and Ashutosh. बहुत debate होते हैं. The best thing is कि TV के दो सबसे democratic editors and we all are very fortunate. इसमें कोई बात नहीं है. बहुत डिबेट होती है, गंदी डिबेट होती है, लड़ाइयाँ होती हैं, बहस होती है कि नहीं आपने या तो नहीं, तुम लोग प्लेयर के बारे में ये कहते हो, लेकिन एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आपको पता है कि आप अपने पॉइंट रखो, बहस करो. लेकिन जो क्रिकेट के लिए है, एंड राजदीप का थोड़ा सा बायस रहता है क्रिकेटर्स पे, चूंकि खुद क्रिकेट उनके खून में है, तो इसका फ़ायदा हम लोगों को मिल जाता है.
The other interesting facet of this was that he was responsible in some ways in that decision of you becoming Indian captain. Sachin Tendulkar, who thought you were India's next captain.
Well, it was a big compliment for me, even if they would have not made me the captain, still coming from Sachin, it is a big compliment. And I think it had a lot of, what Sachin said, maybe because of the honest opinion that I gave him from behind the stump, or the time that we batted together. Initially I batted quite a few times with him, how we read the game, what I learned from him, or how quickly I learned, maybe those were the readings because of which, Paji recommended me. So I think I'm really fortunate, and I think honesty paid for me, because I've never been someone who would say yes, especially on the field, just for the sake, like, okay, yes, do it. If I'm not convinced and if I feel the other way around, I would say it, okay, let's not do it, this may not work.
Can I ask you, Mahi, one question before I actually get people from the audience to ask you? You're someone who people believe out. There's a lot of opinion about you. One of the opinions about you is you don't have a lot of friends in cricket, that most of your friends are outside cricket. When you finish playing cricket, do you see yourself being friends with Sachin Tendulkar?
Friends?
Yes.
That's a difficult one because, like I said, I feel very difficult, talking to him outside the field, unless it's about cars and bikes. And now since he joined the territorial army, I can, talk to him about the fighter planes.
That's mostly what guys need for a friendship, cars and bikes. I'm sure the girls are out of the way now. Yeah, so.
No, but I think that aura that he has, I'll find it very difficult.
Rajdeep, one thought before we ask the audience for some questions. Just there's eerie similarities between them. There's a calmness, there's a tehrav, as they say in Hindi, I think that's the word, about both Mahi and Sachin, which is just so impressive.
Bilkul, I think if there is that, I think to be calm in today's cricket world is amazing. I mean, I think that's one of the great reasons why he's been such a terrific captain for India, which is why, as I said, I always have believed that in many ways he is perhaps the finest captain that India has had. We can go into technical aspects and other things. I keep hearing that, he doesn't captain well to spinners in test matches, and I heard a lot of that in the England series. Some of it was valid criticism. It's possible. Everybody makes mistakes. But I think the most important thing in life is to be calm in whatever, and I think both he and Sachin, in all these years of Sachin Tendulkar, I have never seen him beyond a point lose his cool despite all the pressure. I mean, the irony is Sachin was 9 years when I first saw him. His brother used to play with me. We used to play in the same club. And Sachin used to come as a 9-year-old. His brother was technically perfect, but his brother could not hit the ball beyond the main wicket. He used to bat for 5 hours and score 15 runs. And this little boy used to come at tea time, and the first thing he would do is hit one ball that would hit someone in the tent. Because उसमें पहले से एक था कि वो जोर से मारना है. So he hit the cricket ball with aggression, but everything else in his life, if you ever met Sachin when he was very young, yes, he was a prankster and all that, but he was generally a very calm human being. And they both have this quality. So both either were Buddhists in their last life, कि कहीं वो गौतम बुद्धा के
बगल में, ये बिहार के बगल में गौतम बुद्धा कनेक्शन है, तो
कोई लुम्बिनी में कहीं से उनका कुछ हुआ होगा. लेकिन ये एक क्वालिटी है दोनों में, which is very very rare in Indian cricket or in Indian life.